everybody. I just got my order in from Amazon and it is my new Happy Planner. So my Happy Planner goes only until July, but they sell these, I think either from January to December or from June to May. So there were so many choices. I went with one of the cheaper ones. This was $19.99. I do like it though, I've got to say. I'm just forgot even which one that I got, but I'm looking at it now. You guys know me, I like colorful things. Oh, this is so pretty. So it has a classic dashboard layout, and I've been using Happy Planner for a couple of years, but I still don't even know what the heck dashboard means. So it's the dashboard layout, I guess it looks like that. We will open this up. I do remember looking and thinking, oh, I like the dashboard layout. So it's a 24-25. It has flowers all over it. I love the colors. Like I said, you guys know me, I like my colors. I was just gifted some stickers from Laura at Laura's Plans and Crafts. Thank you so much, Laura. And so I will be using them in here, in my journal, in wherever, you know. I don't just use the Happy Planner stickers for the Happy Planner. So these are some stickers. Journey dreams today, be you proud, happy. Don't stop until you've got this. Okay. And then take note, priority important. And then these are pretty on the side here. Ooh, I'm really loving this. So it just comes with 2 sheets of stickers. And then let's see. Okay, this is like a quick at a glance 2025 calendar. Like I said, it starts in July. My old planner, the planner I use right now, has a July in there, but we'll see. Maybe I won't use that July. Maybe I'll just start with this July. And then next year I can buy another planner, right? So at a glance, you can jot down birthdays, holidays, whatever you want to do here. I like that. That's a new feature. Why does it say April? Why does it say April? Oh, oh, maybe this is just sample? April, May. Oh, okay. April, May, June. Right? So now focusing into July. And this is the layout. And I like it. My other one, I had blank pages and I filled in the days, which is perfectly fine too. But now I don't have to do that. It's already done for me. And then we have, oh, this is the dashboard. Okay. So it's a real simple look. Jot things down, whatever you want to do. What are you looking ahead to? Right here, I might put my savings goals. And I'm planning a cruise for Dino and I in 2025. So I would probably write about the money I'm saving, bills that I need to pay off before our trip and all that kind of thing. And then right here is a quick look at the week, Monday through Sunday. Oh, I like that. I like that. I think I really like the way this is done. I think this is going to work for me. And then here's the next dashboard layout. Oh, guys, this is new to me, and I'm really actually liking this. I like this looking ahead. Okay. Okay, so then we get over here, and this is August. Do more of what makes you happy. Okay. And then let's look at September. Ooh, see, it has a real island vibe. All these flowers kind of have an island vibe. Okay, let's see, that's September. Well, here's October. Color your world with kindness. is the next cover. November, let's see. Be happy, be bright, be you. I keep looking at my fingernails, so dirty, because I've been cleaning. Oh, guys, I might do a video on what my little house looks like, because I've actually done a great job cleaning. But I still have to think about that. Embrace today and believe in yourself. Life is beautiful and tough journey, but you keep going and you push through. You've already made it this far. Imagine what else you can do. I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. Okay, January. It's your time to shine. I am so glad I picked this book. It is so pretty. Okay, let's look up February. Don't stop until you're proud. I don't really understand what that means. And pride comes before the fall. But that's okay. We'll just work with that one. March. And a haughty spirit before destruction. And then, okay, this is March. And March is really pretty. It's got bananas. I think this is the same print, just in different colors as the other one. April. Grow through what you go through. Absolutely. Absolutely. April. Now let's look at May. Find happiness in the journey. And June. There's always a reason to smile. The best things in life are the people we love, the places we've been, and the memories we've made along the way. Oh, this is a really nice book. Let's see what this last page is about. Plan a happy life. It's just the back page. And here is the back of the happy planner. Or was that the front? No, that's the back. Anyway, guys, can't wait to get into this new happy planner. How are you guys doing with your planning? I have to say, since using the happy planner, and then sometimes I won't pick it up for days, but when I stay committed to looking through my planner, I have been accomplishing a lot of things. But imagine what I can accomplish if I just focus in. Hope everybody's having a great day. Bye.